Hello guys, my name is Gustavo. Today I have here a Gameboy DMG-01. So this are one of the first that came from Nintendo from the 1989. I bought this on eBay as well. Well, it came from the Japan. It was around 14 euros, something like that. And the information I have the they have explained on the auction, it was the Game Boy itself was not turned on. It has been considered as a junk. So I was at the beginning, I was just checking how is the state of the Game Boy. As you can see, the front case is completely yellow, and then I saw that where you put the batteries, it's completely corroded on both sides. And then I have noticed, and let me see if I can turn on the lights, but I'm not sure if you can see it here. Let me just adjust. Okay, okay. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but there's also some corrosion here where you put the Game Boy card. So I'm not sure if this is going to work. I'm going to try to do some tests to see if it turns on, if it has audio. After that, I will disassemble everything, and then I will try to do other tests like cleaning here the batteries, metal plates, and also the where you put the access card. Sorry, the game card of the Game Boy, and see if it works. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna plug here. I'm not going to put some battery, so I'm going to use a charger. So let me just plug it here and see if it turns on. Okay, uh, we have here the lights. It seems to be some bad contact here, and we can listen audio. Let me see if I put this in maximum. If you can listen very clearly. Mm, it's still the same audio, so I have put this on in the max, but it didn't change. Well, I don't see any vertical lines, so the LCD seems to be okay. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to remove all the screwdrivers and see how's inside, how is the completely corroded. This is not nothing good at all. Hmm. I'm not sure if this is going to work, but I'm gonna try to. Well, I'm gonna remove the entire case. Maybe I'm gonna put this on the ultrasonic cleaner um, to help me to remove at least this part here. Okay. Okay, once again, I'm having problems using my microphone during the video recording, so I have to talk again on the background during the video. I do apologize about this situation, but I hope soon I will find a way to resolve this. Okay, anyways, after I have removed the back case of the Game Boy, I have noticed that the corrosion has reached below the entrance of the Game Boy card, so it has to be cleaned as well. And also there was some small corrosion inside of the DC jack input. It will require as well to do some cleaning to see if if it stops to do some interference when I was using the every time that I plug the DC jack. Then there there was an issue as well on the volume button that there's corrosion. After this, I will show what I was doing, but it didn't work, which was I was trying to clean with the isopropyl alcohol. After this, I have removed the rest of the metal plates that connects the batteries, and as you can see, it was also corroded. I have done a small clean here, which I'm going to show you, which is using the isopropyl alcohol for, sorry, not the isopropyl alcohol, but using vinegar in this case. Okay, as you can see, after I have removed the metal that you connect the batteries, it's completed with, it's full of corrosion. And what I'm going to do here now, I'm going to put on on a small box with full of vinegar. Okay, in this step, I have put the metal plates of the battery in a cup. Then I'm going to put some vinegar, which will allow me to clean and remove all the corrosions that has been caused by the acid of the battery. So as you can see, I'm putting on the vinegar inside of the cup, and you can see that it starts to react. The vinegar is starting to react with the corrosion of the acid. As you can see, it's creating bubbles. So I have put this aside, and then I will continue to clean the rest of the board to see if we are able to remove the rest of the corrosion that is on the back of the board and the rest. Okay, I'm continuing here to remove the corrosion that is showing on the board. Most of them are not able to remove it with the toothbrush. I have to scrape the boards with my tweezers and try to remove as much as possible with the tweezers. And there are some plastic also on the board, as you can see that it's quite destroyed due to the corrosion. So I will continue here cleaning again with the toothbrush and see if we can remove more the corrosion.
Also, I'm trying to clean for the first time the input for the Game Boy cartridge. All the pins inside of the input cartridge is completely corroded. Sometimes I had to use the tweezers. Sometimes I had to put some vinegar inside of it to try to remove the excess of corrosion there. Okay, as you can see, I have removed the metal plates after 20 minutes. The was inside of the vinegar. As you can see, they are completely shine. Doesn't have any corrosion anymore, which is good. So, well, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to connect again those metal plates on the back case of the Game Boy and see how it does, if it's worked or not.